Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update your Facebook Messenger app on your Android. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end, because by the end of this video you'll be able to update your Facebook Messenger app to the latest version in 2024. So guys, without wasting a single second, let's start the video. So guys, the first thing you'll have to do is to go to the Google Play Store and then simply search for Facebook Messenger app. Now, this is the first way that you can do to update the Facebook Messenger app. Uh, and if it says update instead of open, you can simply tap on update and it will be updated to the latest version. But in some cases, you don't have the option to update, but you don't have the access to the latest features. And in that case, you'll have to navigate to the settings of your Android, and after that you'll have to scroll down a bit and then tap on app section, and after that you'll have to tap on see all apps. Now on this page you'll be able to find all the apps that have been installed on your phone. Now you'll have to look for the Facebook Messenger app, and after finding it you'll have to click on Facebook Messenger app, and you'll have to click on storage and cache. And first of all, tap on clear cache, and then you'll have to tap on clear storage and then hit delete, and then uninstall the Facebook Messenger app. And after doing all the process, you'll have to head over to the Google Play Store again, and you'll have to download and install Facebook Messenger app once again, and it will be force updated to the latest version. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.